I'm Vepa Kamesham, Managing Director of the Institute of Insurance and Risk Management, Hyderabad. This is a very unique educational institution promoted by the IRDA, the insurance regulator, and the government of Andhra Pradesh. This company was incorporated in the year 2002 and it is dedicated towards professionalism in the area of insurance education. Such an institution was considered necessary when the sector was opening up in the year 99. As against 6 companies which were in existence then, today there are 45 companies in this country. Therefore, there is a great demand for trained professionals who understand the principles of risk management and insurance, and it is with that purpose this institute was started. Before I took over as managing director of this company, I was in the financial sector for about 40 years. I was managing director of the State Bank, and later on I was deputy governor of the Reserve Bank of India for 2.5 years, and that is my background. This institute has 3 major lines of activity. In the postgraduate education, we teach life, non-life and financial risk management postgraduate diploma. Then we also have another school called the Actuarial Sciences, which is a very specialized science in fixing the prices for risks in this market, which is very unique. We offer the same program to the working professionals who are not able to come to the institute for studying. Otherwise, it is the fresh students who are graduates who come to our program. We also do special programs like the one we had today with the ICICI Prudential Insurance Company. We have an MOU whereby we train every year 25 candidates selected by them and put them through a special program. This special program is designed to meet the company's requirements, and this is the 4th year of this program, and before long we are thinking whether we should enter into an MOU with the other company also in the general insurance side. In fact, this is a unique program in the sense, on the day they are given admission here, there is a letter given by the HR department of the company that they will be employed provided they complete the diploma at the end of the course. So there is almost a built-in job assurance or a job guarantee. This we have done only with this ICICI Prudential, because this is a special program. We have to commit our resources. So this is under an MOU we have done only with this company. But the other one is an open program where students come from all over the country, and we also get companies to the campus for campus placement. That is called campus placement. Here there is already a committed company which is taking them. So that is the difference. We have faculty. Our model is we have some working faculty, resident faculty who are with us, and we also have visiting faculty who are from the industry. So a large number of professionals are there in Hyderabad who are connected with insurance, actuaries, and also with the financial sector. So we take them as visiting faculty in addition to our core faculty. So we have 2 sets of faculty, core faculty and visiting faculty.